The Democratic Alliance led a full opposition walkout in the Solplaatje Municipality Council after the ANC once again attempted to install an acting municipal manager in place of municipal manager Mr. Tlapelo Matlala. Mr. Matlala was absent from the meeting on the advice of his legal team after the municipality refiled an appeal to overturn the court order that permitted him to resume his duties following his irregular suspension. The Speaker, Mrs. Dipuyo Peters, refused to answer critical questions from the opposition, including who authorized the renewed appeal, particularly given that she and the Mayor, Mrs. Martha Bartlett, were previously held personally liable for legal costs in the early court action. This latest appeal carries clear financial risk for the municipality. When the Speaker attempted to deflect from accountability and called in security under the guise of restoring order, the opposition walked out to prevent the council from being abused to advance political interests. This ongoing political circus is unfolding at the direct expense of service delivery to residents. Continued political interference is paralyzing governance in Solplaatje municipality, preventing the municipal manager from performing his duties, obstructing stable administration, jeopardizing compliance with the deadline for tabling of the budget next week, and placing critical grant funding at risk of being forfeited due to underspending. Residents cannot afford endless political gains while service delivery continues to deteriorate. The Democratic Alliance will continue to oppose and block attempts to hijack Solplaatje municipality through unlawful and reckless decisions, and will persist in the fight to restore stability, accountability, and proper service delivery for all residents.